Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of photo editing and exploring the top 5 photo editors you need to know about in 2024. Whether you're a professional photographer, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves tinkering with photos, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. First up, we have the undisputed king of photo editing, Adobe Photoshop 2024. Photoshop has been the industry standard for years, and 2024 version doesn't disappoint. This powerhouse tool offers everything from basic retouching to complex manipulations. One of the standout features this year is the enhanced AI capabilities. The new neural filters are game changers. Imagine adjusting a person's age, expression, or even hair color with just a few clicks. It's like magic. Photoshop also brings an improved object selection tool, making it easier to isolate subjects from the background with precision. This tool uses AI to detect the refined edges, saving you tons of time. Another new feature is the sky replacement tool. This tool allows you to seamlessly replace the sky in your photos, and with the 2024 update, the transitions are smoother than ever. The integration with lighting and color matching is more advanced. Photoshop also continues to excel in layering and masking, giving you unparalleled control over your edits. Whether you're blending images, applying effects, or creating digital artwork, the layering system is intuitive and powerful. So, whether you're creating stunning graphics or editing photos or designing web elements, Photoshop 2024 has got you covered. It remains the go-to for professionals around the globe. Next, we have Affinity Photo 2. This editor has been gaining a lot of traction for its affordability and powerful features. Affinity Photo 2 is perfect for those who want professional grade editing without the subscription model of Adobe. The 2024 update focuses on performance and usability. Affinity Photo 2 now boasts real-time live filters, meaning you can use or see the effects of your adjustments instantly without any lag. This is a huge time saver, especially when working on large files. It also includes a new focus merge feature, allowing you to blend multiple photos with different focus points into a single image. Perfect for macro photography, this feature ensures every part of your subject is in sharp focus. Another exciting update is the inclusion of improved RAW processing. Affinity Photo 2 handles RAW files with great precision, giving you more control over exposure, color correction, and detail recovery. And for the iPad users out there, Affinity Photo 2 delivers a fully featured experience, rivaling its desktop counterpart. You get the same tools, performance, and precision, making it a fantastic option for the go editing. If you are looking for a cost-effective yet robust alternative to Photoshop, Affinity Photo 2 is definitely worth checking it out. It combines power, flexibility, and affordability in a sleek package. Our third pick is Luminar Neo. Known for its AI-driven editing tools, Luminar Neo makes a complex edits a breeze. It's perfect for photographers who want powerful results with minimal effort. One of the most impressive features in Luminar Neo is its Relight AI. It lets you adjust the lighting in your photo as if you are back at the scene, changing the direction and intensity of light with remarkable accuracy. This feature can dramatically change the mood and feel of your photos. Another standout is the Power AI Sky Replacement tool. Like the Adobe Photoshop, with just a click, you can swap out dull skies for stunning sunsets or dramatic clouds, instantly transforming your photos. The tool automatically adjusts the lighting and reflections to match the new sky, creating a seamless blend. Lumina Neo also excels in portrait retouching. The AI-driven tool can smooth skin, enhance eyes, and even add realistic makeup, all while preserving natural texture. It's like having a professional retoucher at your fingertips. You know what it feels. Another great feature is the layers functionality, allowing you to combine multiple images and effects. This opens up endless creative possibilities. From simple overlays to complex composite images, Lumina Neo is perfect for those who want professional quality edits without spending hours on each photo. It's intuitive, fast, and incredibly effective, Whether you're enhancing landscapes, retouching portraits, or creating artistic compositions, Luminar Neo's AI tools make it easier than ever to achieve stunning results. Moving on, we have Capture One Pro 2024, or you can call it Capture One Pro 24. This editor is a favorite among professional photographers, especially those who shoot in RAW format. One Pro is known for its exceptional color grading and tethering capabilities. The 2024 version brings even more powerful tools to the table. The new advanced color editor offers precise control over every hue in your photo, allowing for incredibly detailed color adjustments. Whether you need to tweak skin tones or enhance vibrant colors, the control is in your hands. Capture One Pro 24 also introduces new HDR merge capabilities, allowing you to combine multiple exposures into a single high dynamic range image. This feature is perfect for capturing scenes with a wide range of light and shadow. For those who shoot tethered, the live view has been significantly improved, making it easier to nail the perfect shot in real time. The enhanced performance ensures that your workflow is smooth and efficient even with large files. Capture One Pro 24 also offers enhanced performance with fastest import and export times, making your workflow smoother than ever. The interface is customizable, allowing you to set up your workspace exactly how you like it. Capture One Pro is also known for its powerful layer-based editing, which allows you to apply adjustments locally rather than globally. This means you can make selective edits with great precision, enhancing specific parts of your image without affecting the entire photo. If you are a professional looking for the best in color grading and RAW editing, Capture One Pro 2024 is a must-have tool in your arsenal. It combines power, precision, and performance to deliver exceptional results at once. Lastly, we have GIMP 3.0. This open source editor has come a long way, and the 2024 update brings you a host of new features that make it a viable alternative to paid editors. GIMP 3.0 now boasts a much more user-friendly interface with improved usability and performance. The redesigned UI is more intuitive, making it easier for beginners to get started while still offering all the advanced tools that professionals need. One of the most exciting additions is the non-destructive editing capabilities. You can now work with the adjustment layers and masks, giving you more flexibility in your editing process. This means you can make changes without permanently altering your original image, allowing for greater experimentation. For those who want a powerful, free editor, GIMP is an excellent choice. And there you have it, the top 5 photo editors in 2024. Each of these tools offers something unique, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, there's a photo editor in this list that's perfect for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let us know in the comments which photo editor you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.